Okay, so what this video is it's a add-on to R.1 where the sound went out. So you should be at about 15 minutes and 31 seconds where we're picking up here. I apologize for the inconvenience. This also happened in R.2, so you're going to have to make that adjustment and watch the second video. All right, we left off with multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is the number that you multiply anything by that doesn't change it. And we know that that is 1. So our multiplicative identity, again, is 1. Multiplicative inverse. What can I multiply a by to get my multiplicative identity? So a times what equals 1? Well, a times 1 over a equals 1, or 1 over a times a equals 1. So our multiplicative inverse would be 1 over. Distributive property, this is a quick, easy one for you guys. A times b plus c, you know, is ab plus ac. And that's a quick, easy one for you. You guys have been doing distributive property for a very long time now. Okay? Make sure you have all these written down. You do need to know them. Moving on to the next. State the property. 8 times 5 equals 5 times 8. What property is this? This is the commutative property. Okay? Commutative property of multiplication specifically. And you do need to specify. Okay, next page. State the property. 14 plus negative 14 equals 0. Well, what are we adding to 14? We are adding the additive inverse, which gives us our additive identity of 0. Okay, the next property, you should be jumping up and down. Everybody knows this one. This is quick and easy. This is the, hopefully you'll get it, distributive property. And it should be the distributive property of addition, but distributive property works. Okay, good. Absolute value. The definition for absolute value is the distance from 0 on a number line. We know that the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The absolute value of 3/4 is 3/4. And the absolute value of 0 is 0. Okay, so basically it takes any negative, makes it positive, takes any positive, keeps it positive, and 0 always stays 0. This is our general definition for absolute value. I'm not expecting you to have this one memorized by any means. I just need you to know how the absolute value works, knowing those rules. Negative turns positive, positive stays positive, and 0 is 0. Next page. Okay, so distance between 2 points on a number line. There is a very easy way to do it. You could graph and count, but that's not going to work for huge numbers. So our algebraic way is to take the absolute value and subtract the two numbers. Okay, so it's a very quick, simple, easy algebraic method. So find the distance between negative 2 and 3. And like I said, you can find it using a number line. Just put the two values on there and count. However, you're not going to do this for huge numbers. That's why you have to know the algebraic. There are five units between negative 2 and 3, so the distance between them is 5. Other way to do it, absolute value of negative 2 minus 3 equals the absolute value of negative 5, which we know is 5. Okay, good. So make sure that you write down any questions that you might have. We'll talk about them in class tomorrow. Again, I really apologize for the inconvenience of the two videos. You're going to have to do that for R.2 as well. It's not going to happen throughout the year. It's just kind of a fluke thing. My microphone cut out on me. So, again, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.